my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a simple, calm, and meaningful story about being brave in life. There was a mom named Nikhil. Nikhil was quiet. Nikhil was gentle. But Nikhil was afraid of many things. He was afraid of speaking. He was afraid of trying new things. He was afraid of making mistakes. Whenever a chance came, he stepped back. He said softly, "I cannot do this. I am scared." One day, his teacher asked him to read a paragraph in class. Nikhil's heart beat fast. His hands felt cold. His voice felt weak. He wanted to sit down. He wanted to hide. Then he remembered something his mother said. She always said, "Being brave does not mean not feeling fear. Being brave means trying even when you feel fear." Nikhil closed his eyes and took a slow breath. He stood up, but he did not sit down. He looked at the book and began to read. At first, his voice was very soft. Some words came slowly. Some words came with fear, but he kept going. One sentence, then another. Slowly, his voice became clearer. He looked up. He saw his teacher smiling. He saw his friends listening. No one was laughing. No one was judging. Nikhil felt surprise. He finished reading. The classroom became quiet. Then, his teacher clapped. His friends also clapped. Nikhil felt something new, something warm, something strong. He felt proud. After class, his teacher came to him and said gently, "You did very well. You were brave today." Nikhil smiled softly. That day, Nikhil learned something important. Fear does not mean stop. Fear means try slowly. From that day, Nikhil changed. He still felt fear sometimes, but now he did not run away. When fear came, he took a deep breath. He said to himself, "I can try. I can learn. I can be brave." Slowly, he spoke more. Slowly, he tried new things. Each small, brave step made him stronger. Because bravery is not loud. Bravery is quiet effort. My friends, this story is for you too. You may feel afraid. You may feel nervous. You may feel weak. But remember, bravery starts with one small step, one slow try, one deep breath, and that is enough. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep trying. And always remember, you are braver than you think.